Let's talk about water. Boat. It looks like a boat. What? My name is Alvin.
And my name is Alicia.
Today we are going to do the water twister project. So we need 4 bottles. We also need connectors so we can connect the 2 bottles together. We also need a funnel, you can see. And also we have this PTFE tape to make this water not coming out, like leaking. So now we have to open the cover. Can you help me, please? Now we have to fill in the water.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Yeah, I can do it. Hey. Oh no, it's fun. I still have a pin. Will I agree? Okay. You better do it. No.
My turn, remember? Hey. No, my turn already. Okay, oh no. Until this level, you see? You cannot reach the top, you don't have any air, and you can't roll down. So now we're gonna put the connectors. Tightly. Now we Okay, so now let's try the experiment without oil first. Whoa, you see? There's a vortex. It's so cool. It keeps turning. Just like a tornado. Let's have a bigger one. Look at the water all down there. So the vortex spins the water down to the bottom and the bottom get water. Let's try that again. Oh no. Now we're gonna have a race. Let's go! Oh, it's so difficult. When you go into the top, it's so difficult at the bottom. And it might break the.
Definitely,
You can see at the top, there's the eye of the vortex. It's called the eye. The eye. Also can be
The eye,
found
look at me.
on top of the volcano.
Okay, we're gonna have a next one.
Oh, the second race. Looks like you're gonna win. You're winning.
This, I think we should use glue. I like to bugger it. I like to bugger this eye. Okay, now let's.
Okay, now let's use do it with the oil. Now we are gonna try the experiment with the lamp oil. Last video we opened the parcel.
So this is yellow and this is red.
Hey, can you help me pour it? It's very not. This is the moment. I don't know how it looks like. It's so. Whoa! It just looks like the lava lamp last time we done. Whoa! It's so cool. Look at those bubbles. And the red color oil. It's so cool. They float at the top because it's more lighter. The water is more heavier, so it stays at the top. Also, there's some things that stay on the oil instead of the water. Let's go and try the experiment one day. Whoa! But it kind of looks like original oil. Look at that, there's a lot of big bubbles. It's so cool. I like how they float on it, like it's so smooth the bottom. I like this. All the bubbles stay at the bottom of the oil instead of bottom of the water. So that means they are lighter than the water. That's one experiment we found today. So let's go and try putting them now. Oh, so wet. It's gonna be so fun. Oh. Yeah. I think I need some help. It's not heavy.
I think
No matter how you shake, it still stays on the top.
Maybe you should shake it. Shake it. Shake it, shake it. Keep shaking. Keep shaking.
No, we don't want to shake too much. You'll contaminate the water. Remember last experiment? The lava lamp one? Whoa, go! Oh no, it's contaminated, isn't it? Oh. It kind of looks like red.
Oh, mine looks like lemonade. It looks like lemonade.
I feel like I'm drinking lemonade inside this.
It kind of
doesn't look.
Is that I'm playing lemonade? I feel like.
I can't see I can't see the vortex anymore. What's going on? I thought it's supposed to. Now this happens again. It's contaminated like last. What? What? Okay. Okay. Now
It looks like it's like gully
it's
monster.
kind of weird. And they're all stuck on the top. I don't have any.
Your looks like strawberry.
It's strawberry, like tomato or strawberry, like either one.
Or like apple. Or like other.
Okay, this is gonna go well, isn't it? This time, never mind. It's supposed to work. So many YouTubers make it work, but I don't have any idea how it works. I can see the crystal now, but then I can't see whatever happening up there because it's all red. I cannot see the eye at all.
I cannot see it.
And it's why is it red? Oh, I can see a bit like giant vortex.
I can see the eyes bubbling.
You're like in the giant vortex. It's like here, like this.
I think I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna win.
No, we're not playing race anymore, right?
I'm not play race.
And it's stuck. Okay. What's going on?
Oh, because it's juice.
No.
It's like lemonade.
It looks like mini boats. How am I gonna do this? There's a thing. Oh no. I almost done. It's supposed to work, but I have no idea why it doesn't work.
It's just on the top.
It's just like last video we done the double lime experiment and actually got contaminated everything. And it just happened like this on the crystal one.
It feels like it's so weird. So
How
weird.
is it weird?
Mine is so weird.
Maybe they put some sort of things, other things. I have no idea how it worked. Anyways. Now we are going to try the experiment with food coloring. We have blue and red. Oh. Can you please help me? And blue. It looks so dirty. Oh. I think that's too much. That's too much. Oh, this is too much. Look at the color. It's this color. It's like nearby purple. Let's try with thing. Let's try what it was done. This is so funny. I can see the eye a little bit. Yeah, I can see the eye. It's turning there. And I can't see it like, oh, it looks like a bit cool. And it's hot. It's cool, but at least you can see it. Now we're going to put this one with red instead of the blue color. Later we're going to try it again. I hope this one is enough. It's just one. It's a bit too much. Okay, this must be it. It looks like, kind of looks like blood. Oh! And what is it? Oh, this is kind of nice. I never tried this before.
It looks like rose.
Last time I tried a different thing. Kind of looks like blood tornado, like a blood tornado. A lot of people die inside. It's so weird.
Oh, changing into pink. It's changing into pink.
Oh, it's pink down there. You can see the the reflection is like pink. It's kind of like pink and the reflection in here. It's so cool.
Oh, it's changing the pink. It's my favorite color.
I do like the blue, but it's too black.
So I think you should put yours away.
Oh, sad line.
Oh, I like mine. So
Now let's see a clearly time. I want to see it more clear. Erase again. I can't even see it right now, but then it looks so cool. Like it's just like a LED tornado. Vortex LED vortex. It's so cool. I do like this one, but I have to just go it away. It kind of looks nice.
boy.
Yeah, you can see this color looks familiar. Oh, look at mine.
Look at this.
There's a line. Now we're gonna versus each other. I'll see who wins. Let's start it now. Looks like I cannot get into place.
I can't win.
Looks
I
like
know.
winning. 1 is not starting. Come on.
Because
Okay,
it's
do it. Oh. I thought you use the top also cannot. Why not? Then you use this also cannot.
okay,
Yeah.
next chapter.
Oh yay! I win. Bye. Hi guys. Bye.
I can't reach. Why?